So I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Scabion. Scabion has crotamyton and sulfur in it. This lotion is used as a treatment for scabies. Scabies is a skin infection caused by mites that burrow into the skin. Irritation from the mite leads to severe itching and small bumps, blisters filled with pus. Crotamyton works by killing the mites that cause scabies. It also helps relieve itching related to scabies and other skin conditions. Crotamyton belongs to two classes of drugs, scabicides and antipruritics. This medication is for use on the skin only. Do not take this medication by mouth. Avoid applying crotamyton on the face, eyes, mouth, vagina and any skin that is inflamed, raw or oozing fluid. To treat scabies, take a bath or shower. Before using this medication, remove scaly or crusted skin by rubbing gently, then dry with the towel. Massage a thin layer of the cream or lotion into all the skin from chin down to toes, including skin folds, creases between the fingers and toes, on the soles of the feet. Trim fingernails short and apply the medication under the nails since the mites often live there. You may use a toothbrush to apply the medication under the fingernails. Immediately after use, wrap the toothbrush in paper and throw it away. Do not use the same toothbrush in the mouth because it may lead to poisoning. Avoid the medication again after 24. Apply the medication again after 24 hours. Change clothing, towels and bed sheets the next morning after each application. Wash all clothing, towels and bedding that have been used in the 3 days before treatment and after each application in hot water and dry in hot dryer to kill all the mites and prevent them from returning. Take a bath 48 hours after the last application to remove the medication from your skin. To treat other itching skin conditions besides scabies, massage a thin layer gently into the affected areas until the medication is completely absorbed. Repeat as needed as directed by your doctor, usually 2 or 3 times a day. After treating scabies, you may still have itching for several weeks. Ask your doctor about other medications that may help to soothe the itching. Tell your doctor if your condition persists or if it worsens. Some side effects are worsening skin irritation. Redness may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, stop using the medication and tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. This is made by Atco Laboratories and the price for one bottle is 125 rupees. It has this bottle in it which is 60 ml and it's used for scabies. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel, share our channel. Thank you.